Here's a guide on how I organize the sticker sheet cutting files for my shop. I'm using a Silhouette Portrait 2 cutting machine, so I'll be making the cut files on Silhouette Studio. Open Silhouette Studio. I'll start by making the sticker sheets. Make a rectangle, then resize to your desired sheet size. I'm making 3.5 by 5 inch sticker sheets. Center on the page. Next, I'll drop the shop logo to Silhouette Studio, then select Trace Area and attach. Delete the transparent background. Group the elements of the logo and resize. I'll add a code using the text box so I can easily identify this design. Change the outline to transparent and the fill color to black. I'll position them to the top part of the sheet. Next, I'll drag the design to Silhouette Studio, resize, then select Trace Area. Set threshold to 99% and attach. Drag the design elements to the box. Then add an offset. I then zoom in to check in on the offset. I only retain the cut lines outside, so to do this, I right-click on the cut line, select Release Compound Path, then hold Shift and click on the outer cut line. Delete the remaining. I group the element in the cut line to make it easier to move around. Change the color of the sheet's guidelines so only the red ones are kiss cut. Once I'm satisfied, I select everything and group, then go to File, Save Selection to Hard Drive, then name the sheet with a code name. To make the next sheet, ungroup and delete the elements excluding the logo and the code. Then I drag the rest of the elements to the box. I forgot to update the code in the text box above, so just remember to change that. Repeat the steps earlier until you're satisfied with the layout. Select everything and group them, then go to File, Save Selection to Hard Drive, and name the sheet with a code name. To make the die cutting template, make a rectangle the size of your sheet, then fill the page. Move the elements to the center. We need the machine to cut only the intersecting lines. To do this, draw a vertical line, resize to 10 inches, then change the color. Make a copy, then center to the page. Rotate the other line, change the size to 7 inches, and center on the page. Lastly, draw a rectangle, then resize to 7 by 10 inches, and center to the page. Enable the registration marks. Open the Layers panel, remove the extra layers and red rectangles. You can see my window here bugging, so I just click on the arrow on top to fix it. Create another layer, then drag to the bottom. The top layer will be the guidelines, which I'll lock, and the bottom layer is where I'll import the designs. Save this to be your cutting template for sheets of the same size. To use it, go to File and Merge. Select the file and align the blue guidelines to the green cut lines. Make a copy or merge a different file until you fill the page. Print the page, then send to the machine for cutting. In the Line tab, uncheck the blue guideline, then drag to the top the red cut lines. Change the material settings, kiss cut for red while die cut for green. Hit send when you're ready to cut. Hope you guys learned something new and thanks for watching.